Hello guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Nigerian female student in China recounts a sad experience with Chinese officials. A Nigerian lady studying in China has taken to her Twitter handle to recount how herself and other blacks, including Nigerians, are being maltreated by Chinese officials following the COVID-19 pandemic. She shared her story days after a video showing how Nigerians in China are being kicked out of their hotels and subjected to compulsory COVID-19 tests went viral. She said, "I don't have a problem going under quarantine or staying indoors for long, but the target on only black people is demeaning. I see racist comments and posts towards black people from China and I have fears. I hope all this will end my fears too. There are thousands of Chinese in African countries working freely now without being forced like we are doing over here. The Nigerian government isn't taking more action to this. No woman deserves to be treated this way. The pressure is too much. The hate is too much. Black people are really suffering. Students are also not excluded in this case. I hope things get better soon. China shouldn't blame Africans. I am under surveillance, directed not to go out. What did we Africans do to deserve this? Why can't all Chinese people also go under quarantine? I pray I don't get kicked out after the 14 days. By the way, I was forced to be tested. All I ever want and always want is to finish my education. I motivate myself to push on. Now, lots of black students are indoors. Some, their landlords have asked them to move out. I appreciate everyone that have reached out to me and the nice reassuring comments. I feel better. Thank you. This too shall pass. Same here, no recent travel for the past 6 months, twice negative result. Now they are installing the cameras and sensors. Stay safe, guys. Okay guys, this is a news just reaching us happening live in China. Chinese are maltreating blacks in China. So share your thoughts in the comment section. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.